Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am back today with Jane's Agenda Planner subscription box, and I believe this is the January box. So let me get all the things out. And then we can look at this together. The first thing you get is your January card. It says, edit your life frequently and ruthlessly. It is your masterpiece after all. Nathan M. Morris. And then on the other side, it doubles as a tour card. And the this box is got the, what do you call it? Like, this box is about elegance. So, I'm loving what I see so far. But anyways, you get 2 sets of quote cards. This one says, leading lady. And then the next one says, let's do what we love and do a lot of it. Marc Jacobs. So you get those 2. And then Stabilo highlighter. What a pretty highlighter. So you get a Stabilo highlighter. Oh, and it has a little spot for the, oh, I like this. It has a nice little clip. It is not double-ended, so you get a highlighter, and then you get a glass nail file. Super cute. I've never used a glass nail file, but I'm open to trying it. This would be a good one to keep in my purse. Let's see if I can just leave it sitting out on top of here so you can tell what it is. And then you get a mirror decal, which says, hello, gorgeous. Oh, I could put that right on our mirror. I wonder if I could put it right here on my little, I don't know. I'll have to see where I'm going to put that. But they say it's a mirror decal. And then you get a set of page flags and sticky notes in the exclusive color of teal. And then I love these for pre-planning. So you get the page flags and then the sticky notes. What a pretty color this box is. And then translucent dashboard of an elegant woman. And it says on the back, 52 weeks. Oh, no. Here's the dashboard. And that's elegant woman. And then you get a minimal dashboard. And on the back of it has 52 weeks too. And it's supposed to be like a bingo. So maybe this will be a savings tracker. To make living itself an art, that is the goal. And that's a quote by Henry Miller. So that looks really good on there. And then we get a translucent dashboard. Now, I think this is the ones for the entire year. So you get translucent dashboard, and then you get all of the months that have a monthly calendar on the back. So super, because these are what I use in my little personal planner. So we have all of the months with a January translucent dashboard, and it says, now is the time for guts and guile. That's from Elizabeth Taylor. And then we get another planner insert. You get a paycheck budget, a monthly debt, and a savings. So you get several of those. And then you get paycheck budget, Those would be like the bills you're going to pay. So there are those. And then it says we have a premium travel folio. So let's look at this. Comes in a cute little bag. Wow, that stays attached. And here is your travel folio. So inside you have a bunch of like credit card slots, and then a bigger slot. So super cute. Lush vegan leather. And a bag that you can reuse. So there is the January 2023 Jane's Agenda box, and the and it was all about elegance. I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I'll be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.